Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my tomato bulgur soup recipe, the best soup for the winter. For this soup you will need lamb, onion, green beans, squash, coriander, mint, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, red pepper paste. For this soup you need a cooker pressure. Put a little bit of oil in your cooker pressure, your meat, your onion, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, diced squash, green beans, half amount of coriander, fresh coriander, half amount of fresh mint, 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, red pepper paste. Bring everything to boil. Bring everything to boil without stop stirring it. Whenever your meat gets dark color, now it's time to add your hot water. After adding your water, boil your meat and your vegetables for about 10 minutes. Then you have to close your cooker pressure and cook your meat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your meat is well cooked. Now it's time to add your tomatoes. I boiled 8 fresh tomatoes. I peeled them and mixed them well. I did not use canned tomato to make it extra healthy. Pour your tomato in your soup mixture and wait until this mixture starts to boil. Whenever this mixture starts to boil, add your bulgur. I did use Turkish bulgur. I will show you which one I did use. Now my tomato soup starts to boil. It's the right time to add my bulgur. Pour your bulgur in your tomato soup and boil it for about 20 minutes. To cook your soup very well, you have to put your cover halfway. And time to time, you have to check your soup and stir it to avoid stick your bulgur in the bottom of your cooker pressure. Boil your soup until all the bubbles are gone. Add hot water time to time because bulgur absorbs a lot of water. Boil your soup for about 20 minutes without stop stirring it. Whenever you notice that your bulgur doubled in size, now your soup is well cooked. Now it's time to turn off your stove and put the last touch, a little bit of coriander and little bit of mint. Serve your soup hot with a touch of coriander on the top and little bit of lemon. Please try this recipe, it's very good and cozy for cold day. I hope you liked my video. See you in the next video. Bye!